Hi, this is Ben Jamintoy with On Purpose Team Building. This is the demo walkthrough as an attendee for the 2020 Mount Pleasant Chamber of Commerce Business Community Virtual Expo. Our app that we'll be using is LoQuiz, which can only be used on smartphone or tablet. When you download it from the app or Play Store, you will not have the username and password until we send it out on September 21st. But when you do, you can log in with the info provided or scan the QR code. I'm going to click on the link or the app. I'm going to scan the QR code, which right there, it finds it, pulls up the actual expo. Now this is an app worked on based on a game, so we actually gamified the expo to some degree. You'll be able to read all the instructions and always get back to this information. We're gonna collect some information at first and then get going. You're gonna be able to view every booth as many times as you want. I'm gonna put my name in here with a number beside it because I've been here a couple times. All right, this is a demo map. Eventually it's going to be very custom to what we have. Going to have some logos in there, but it's a virtual expo floor. To start with, the first one that you're going to click on is going to be for the Mount Pleasant Chamber. It's going to ask your zip code of where you're viewing the expo from, so we know what kind of reach we have. And then we're also going to explain how we get some prizes. You have a couple ways of winning some door prizes. First way is to simply visit 70% of the virtual booths, and then you'll be entered into the drawing to win one of the door prizes that we have available. Second way is to attend the booths as well, but also collect information and solve a riddle. This is the gamified portion of the expo. At the end, after several of the booths, you will get a letter, and we're going to have a multi-word phrase that once you solve, you'll send to us and be able to claim your prize. Everybody that submits the correct answer for the phrase gets a $100 gift card to On Purpose Team Building, and one individual will win a $1,000 gift certificate. After I press this got it option here, you'll see what we mean. It's after comments with the letter and what word you're going to be. In this case, third word, letter H. So imagine it's a 4-word phrase. This tells you that the letter H is in the third word. And so when you record these, you'll just have to unscramble each of the individual words and then submit that phrase. That is how this after comment riddle will be solved. All right, now we only have 3 examples of booths here. The other ones are placeholders for now. You're going to see a couple different ways of how the booths, when you visit, will be able to operate. First, we're going to click on the Mount Pleasant one again. This shows you how we're going to go to other websites. So if the chamber, we want to do some trivia. Since when has the Mount Pleasant Chamber been bringing business together? I click on the hyperlink, it pulls up their website, and the answer is right there, since 1992. Websites are going to be within our app. So if you click the blue X, you go right back to the app, click OK, and we're done. All right, now we have a word from our sponsor, Cruise Subaru of Charleston.
They lived. They lived. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
I passed for that just for the sake of time, but at the end of that it answers how many top safety picks they've received, and that is 5. And periodically you will see a couple words from our sponsor. Here is an example of a survey question. I'm not going to play my video.
Hi,
But it basically, businesses will be able to list the types of things that they do, and you'll be able to select things that you might want more information on, or you can say none of the above and click OK. Cool thing about this expo, because it's virtual, you can leave at any time and come back. So now's a great time. So if I want to, a phone call comes or I'm done doing what I'm doing, I can leave. I can use my phone. I can then choose to come back to the app. If I didn't exit the game, if I click it, I'm back at where I started. But if I literally exit, completely leave the app activity, and go out of the screen, I can come back, click continue last game, and it's back to where I was. Now, if you log out and things like that, you can actually use your information again, select your name, and join again. If you need, let's say your battery died and you want to work on a different device, that is possible, and we will have those frequently asked questions listed for you to solve. But for the most part, if you're not doing another event with us, you should be able to log in by continuing last game. Here's another example of a booth that is going to be asking trivia.
Charleston, we are the Blood Connection, and we are proud to now be serving you. We are the sole provider for Roper St. Francis Healthcare, and we need your help saving local lives. Please be sure to stop by our booth and visit our website, thebloodconnection.org, today.
It's a great example. So based on this video, you would ask, we're going to have hyperlinks to the website if you want to learn more, if you want to call them. Some booths are going to have the ability of chatting live, but they are Roper St. Francis and okay. Now, another word from our sponsor. This is just kind of a survey. What's most important to you? You pick the options and then you hit OK. And that is a quick run through that you're going to be able to go through the different booths at any pace that you'd like within the 10 days. These versions, the booths disappeared after we went to them, but you're going to be able to go to booths multiple times. They are not going to disappear, so you can attend booths multiple times for information, for desire to get the after comments, to possibly win the riddle, but also just to take your time, explore, learn more information as you desire. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.